Hi guys, my name is Fappy. Today our topic is create income by selling AI generated or non-AI generated images or videos. It's totally free of cost, so please like, share and subscribe our channel BiCreditex to get informative videos. Let's start our journey. At first, you have to find the images which are most popular on social media platforms. So for this, I use Adobe Stock. Adobe Stock is a service that provides access to millions of royalty-free stock images, photos, graphics, vectors, video footage, illustrations, templates, 3D assets, and high-quality stock collections. You can use other websites like Pixels, iStock, Flickr, image search engines, etc. So at first step, visit on Adobe Stock and found the popular images or videos. Here in this video, I show only images. And for videos also, it is exactly similar what I do. I first select image here and now type on the search bar popular images.
Now choose your favorite image from all over the images. I am choosing these image, now I will copy text which is written below the image. Second step, visit Leonardo AI website. Leonardo AI is an emerging generative image tool that allows users to create high-quality AI-generated images with unparalleled speed and style. It is primarily aimed at creating top-tier game assets, concept art, and realistic human images. You can also use DeepDream Generator, Canva, Craiyon, Wepik to generate AI images for videos. You can use Synthesia, Invideo, Canva, and Picsart. So here I use Leonardo AI, it's our Leonardo AI website. And you first have to create an account and see I have create my account. Now you have to click on image generation and here you see there is written type a prompt. Now here what you have to do, paste that text that you have copied earlier. I am pasting that text and here you have to select on image dimension 512 x 512. It is square size image. Now click on generate.
See, I have generate my 2 images. You can generate 4, 5, 6 as per your wish. And click on download. Third step, visit on Google. Type on search bar MP image creator, or you can simply text resize image on megapixel. Now here you see there is written select image in JPEG format. Type there, now select your images that you have downloaded on Leonardo AI. And below on it, you will see size on megapixel, type there 14 as I am doing. And now click on OK, it's done, and download your images. Last step, visit again on Adobe Stock, or you can also visit on Shutterstock, Getty Images, Alamy, 500px, Wirestock. Here I am visiting on one website, Adobe Stock. I have opened my Adobe Stock page. Here you will see at top corner there is written sell. Click on that, then click on upload and then select your images. Now click on created using generative AI tool of your image is AI generated. If it is simple, then you don't have to click on it, and here click no. And on keyboard, click on suggested keywords then. Click all keywords, it's done. Select category and click on save work, then agree and click continue. Complete your tax information. If you not complete your tax information, then there will be 30% loss of your income. Thank you. These are some things from which you can make money online with AI images or videos. If you like our channel BiCreditex, please like, share and subscribe. Goodbye.